What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna be making Ninjabread cookies. Let's go!
This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time eating. This is Glamour Freddy. Hello. And I am Joseph. My mom knows me so well, so we're gonna be making two of my favorite things, ninjas and cookies. Let's get baking. Now let's see what's inside the box. We have a cookie cutter, a gingerbread mix, but we're going to use our own recipe, candy decor, and a piping bag. Here are the ingredients for our own gingerbread recipe. For the dry ingredients, we have flour, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and baking soda. For our wet ingredients, we have brown sugar, softened butter, molasses, egg, and vanilla extract. First, we're gonna mix all of our dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Set the dry ingredients aside, and now it's time to cream the butter and the brown sugar in a large mixing bowl. Once light and fluffy, add the molasses, egg, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the flour mixture at low speed until well mixed. Hey guys, my goal is trying to reach 1,000 subscribers this year. So can you help me and share this video with your friends and ask them to subscribe? Thanks. Then press the dough into a thick flat disc. Lastly, wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate it overnight. Now that our dough has chilled, it's time to roll. Roll out the dough to a 1/4 inch thick, then we will cut out our ninjas. As we're cutting the dough, it's time to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And remember to maximize your dough space so then you can create more cookies. Now it's time to decorate the cookies. That's it for me, guys. Hit the like button gently or smash that like button JDC style. And I'll see you in the next video.